I've been using this TradingView indicator for crypto trading for the past 90 days, and in this video I'm going to tell you why in my opinion is by far the best one on the market. More specifically, first I'm going to show you how to get it, and then I'm going to teach you how to use it to get the best possible results. So, the first thing that you're gonna need to do is click the link in the video description. After you click it, you're gonna be redirected on this page, and here, as you can see, you're gonna be able to access the crypto indicator plus 4 more. In fact, you're gonna access the VIP market scanner, the cloud band signals, the market prediction indicator, the trend navigator and VP oscillator, which is the indicator that we're going to use to trade crypto, and the support and resistance matrix. All of these indicators come together in a bundle that only costs $9 a month. And in my opinion, this is a great deal for two main reasons. Reason number one is that you just need to win one single trade in the entire month to get back the money that you invested to get the indicator, plus make some profit. And the second reason is because your purchase is protected by a 7 days no question asked money back guarantees. So this means that if you get this indicator, use them as I'm about to show you, and still don't get any results, you're gonna be able to get a 100% refund on your purchase. After you buy the indicators, you're gonna get access to this page where there are all the instructions to add the indicators to your TradingView account. And to do it is really simple. You just need to start scrolling down until you found this button that says add indicators here, and then you need to click it. After you click it, you're gonna be redirected on this page, and here inside this black box you're gonna need to add your TradingView username. After you add it, just click on claim indicators, and all of these indicators are going to be automatically added inside your TradingView account. By the way, if you don't know what is your TradingView username, you just need to come here on the left side of the screen, click on your profile picture, and what you see written right here is your TradingView username. You just need to copy it and paste it on the menu that I showed you before. So now that you're back on TradingView and the indicator has been added to your account, you need to add it inside the charts. To do it is really simple. You just need to click on the indicator symbol inside TradingView, then go in where it says invite only, and then scroll until you find the trend navigator indicator. Click on it, and as you can see, the indicator has been added to your charts. This specific indicator can be used on the 1 hour time frame if you're looking for a swing trade, the 15 minutes time frame if you're looking for an intraday trade, and the 5 minutes time frame if you're looking for a scalp trade. And based on the time frame that you're going to use, there are different settings that you're gonna need to apply. But don't worry, because I already did all the hard work for you, and so I'm also going to show you what are the optimal settings based on the time frame that you want to use. So let's start from the 1 hour time frame, which personally is also my favorite because it's more aligned with my style of trading. In fact, I don't have a lot of time to spend in front of the charts every single day, and so I favor trades where I can simply open a position and then let it ride and collect the profits along the way. So when it comes to the 1 hour time frame, as you can see, these are the settings that you're gonna need to apply. The only important one are these 4 here. So where it says 1 MA type, you need to put SMMA. Where it says 1 MA length, you need to put 21, 1 MA source I, and 1 MA reaction 12. And as you can see, the indicator is going to follow pretty well the price action of this specific crypto. In this case, we are looking at XRP, and as you can see, if you were using this indicator back at the beginning of July, you will be able to catch this insane movement to the up. Here, as you can see, the indicator also tell you when it was time to sell, and you will be able to capture this movement. Same thing here, as you can see, it told you to sell here, and you will be able to profit from this movement. And if we start going back, as you can see, there are multiple other instances where this indicator give you the right signals at the right time. Now, as you can see, we can also change to another crypto. In this case, we are looking at Tron, and also in this case, as you can see, you will be able to capture this move to the up. Then once there was the reversal, you will be able to enter a sell and ride the price going down. Same thing here, you will be able to ride this upward movement. And if we go back a bit, as you can see, also in these 2 other cases, you will be able to profit from these movements. Let's change crypto. In this case, we're looking at Ethereum. This is a bit more volatile, but still, as you can see, there are quite a bit of movements that you will be able to catch using this specific indicator. One thing that I want to tell you, to be completely honest with you, is that the smaller the time frame is, the more noise is going to be on the charts, and so the better of a trader you need to be to maximize your profits. In fact, if for example you are trading on the 5 minutes time frame, besides following what the indicator tell you, you also need to be good at managing the trades and, for example, understand if you need to close a position in advance to maximize the amount of profit that you're going to do. So as I told you before, if you are a beginner, my suggestion is to stick to the 1 hour time frame, because as you can see, you just need to open a position where the indicator tell you to do it and close it when the indicator tell you to do it. So it's really simple. Let's switch to another crypto. In this case, we're looking at SUI, and as you can see, also in this case, there were multiple swings that we will have catch if we were using this indicator. Another thing that I would like to mention is that the bigger the crypto that you are trying to trade, the more accurate the signals are going to be. In fact, as you can see, I mainly use these signals with the biggest crypto. But of course, the indicator can also work with mid-cap or small-cap cryptos, but you can expect it to be a bit less reliable. Now, let's move to the 15 minutes time frame. So I'm on the 15 minutes time frame, and these are the settings that you need to use if you want to trade this specific time frame. Where it says 1 MA type, you need to put SMMA. Where it says 1 MA length, you need to put 15, 1 MA source high, and 1 MA reaction 8. So as you can see, currently we are looking at Chainlink, which is a pretty big crypto, and as you can see, the accuracy of the signal is pretty spot on. In fact, if we followed it, we will be able to catch this big down movement, and same things once the reversal happen, we will be able to ride the price as it gets higher. And if we start going back, as you can see, there are also other instances where by following the indication of the indicator, we will be able to catch pretty nice movements. Let's look, for example, at Bonk. This is a meme coin, but is quite big, and also in this case, as you can see, the precision of the indicator is spot on. As you can see here, we will be able to catch this movement going down. Here there was another instance of the price going up, and here we will also be able to catch this big movement going down. Now, another thing that I would like to tell you about this indicator, to be completely transparent with you, as you might have noticed, there are going to be some instances where the trades that you took either result in a minor loss or in break-even. And this is actually completely normal, because there is no such thing as an indicator that has a 100% win rate, and whoever tell you the opposite, I can guarantee you is lying to you. The purpose of this indicator is to help you win more than you lose and to be profitable long term. In fact, as you can see, it might happen, for example, that you may catch a trade that, as I told you, results in a minor loss or in a break even, but then immediately after you are able to catch these big swings that basically make you earn back all the money that you lose previously, plus you are also able to generate some profits. Now let's look at another crypto. In this case, let's go back to SUI, but in this case we are looking at the 15 minutes time frame with the appropriate settings, and also in this case, as you can see, you are able to catch pretty nice swings of the price, especially when there are these big movements going down or even going up. For example, look at this one. Imagine being able to catch this type of swing down and size it properly. This is the type of trades that, if done correctly, can literally set you up for an entire month. Now let's look, for example, at BNB. Also in this case, as you can see, the indicator was pretty accurate, and it correctly helped us being able to catch the big movements. And again, as you can see, I can start going back and look at this. Like, imagine taking this type of trades both when the price is going up, and then after the reversal take the opposite trades while the price is going down. So yeah, these are the type of trades that you are able to take once you use this indicator and you set up correctly, like I just showed you. Now let's move to the 5 minutes time frame. So when it comes to the 5 minutes time frame, these are the settings that you should use. Where it says 1 MA type, you need to use SMMA, 1 EMA length 30, 1 MA source low, and 1 MA reaction 8. So these are the correct settings for this type of time frame. Now, as I told you before, when it comes to the lower time frame, there is going to be more noise on the charts, and so it's really important that you know how to manage your trades. Because, for example, there might be moments where the signal tell you to buy or sell, and the movement is only short-lived before reversing, like for example in this case and also in this case. But overall, as I told you before, if you follow all the signals, you're still gonna end up in profits, because imagine, let's say that you took this trade here and you profited all of this. Here you have a little loss. Then you take these buy trades again with huge profit, small loss, profit, small loss, big profits. So as you can see, even if you have a win rate of 50%, since every time you win a lot more than when you lose, in the long term, you're still gonna be able to be profitable. Let's look, for example, at another crypto. In this case, we're looking at Cardano, and as you can see from the chart, also in this case, there were some huge movement that you will be able to catch using this indicator. Like for example, this is the same scenario that I was telling you before. In this case, you will have win a lot of trades, but at the same time lost a few of them, because as you can see, sometimes you got these signals, but overall, in the big picture, you're still gonna be profitable. Same thing here. For example, here you will be able to enter the trade around here and then run it until this point. And here is important to know how to manage a trade, because for example, closing the trade here compared to closing the trade here can make the difference between a huge win or a trade that you close at break even or at a minor loss. So again, if you want to use this lower time frame, you need to be sure that you know what you are doing. Then let's switch, for example, at Litecoin. In this case, as you can see, the indicator gives us some huge suggestion. Look at this. Imagine being able to get this trade and then again, after the reversal, run while the price is going down. So also in this case, as you can see, the indicator has proved to be useful. Let's look then at Solana. Again, this pair is pretty volatile. As you can see, in fact, there are a lot of signals being sent, but overall, you're still able to capitalize on huge price movement. So there you have it. This, in my opinion, is the best TradingView indicator for crypto trading. As I told at the beginning, if you also would like to try it, you can do so by clicking the first link in the video description. And if you decide to purchase it, remember that you are protected by a 7 days, no question asked, money back guarantee. If you enjoyed this video, please leave it a like, and until next time, happy trades!